All right, folks, what we got here is 2013 Honda Civic. I'm going to change wiper blades on this thing. All right, so I can set you up over here so we can see. This is the J-hook style arm, which is the nice and easy one. Okay, if you look at it, has like a little turn to it. Okay, that's why we call it a J-hook. The ones that came off of it is the Costco Michelin brand, right? Yep, it's a Michelin brand. Costco, you can buy these at Costco. I have no clue how to take them off. They had all kinds of adapters, like this one, then they had this one, then they had this one, which is insane. So it's plastic, just snapped it off. Just pull it right off of this piece here, all right? And just eliminate it. All right, so now it's off. So now we're gonna go put on the new one. We're gonna use the Duralast brand. On this side is a 26-inch. That side is a 22-inch. And like I said, there's a J-hook. It's fairly simple. Okay, this is the way the adapter is right here. I'm gonna turn it, and the hook is gonna go this way like that. Okay, so I make it go this way. I'm gonna do this on the blade, through the blade, up and over. Okay, and it's gonna click on and turn on this way. Okay, so what happened was that the two pieces of plastics there, they go past the arm and then close back again. And then once you close the blade this way, these little two plastic things cannot spread. So this will never, ever, ever, ever come off. Okay? That's one down. Let's go do the other side. All right, like I said, this side is gonna be a little sketchy. They have this piece here. I have no idea why Michelin has that. So I'm just gonna snap this off. It's just plastic. I'll get a screwdriver. Try to get something off over here. It's just a weird design. Okay, there you go. So you flip this up. Then I guess this slides down. Don't do that either, people. Listen, just break it off. Enough of that crap. All right. So like I said, this one here is going to use a 22-inch one. This is the J-hook, as you can tell. Okay, a little sunny out, so it's hard for me to see if you guys are right. Okay, here's the round part of it, which is going to be the hook, which matches this round part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shape it like this. So now it goes like that. Stick it through the arm, up and over on this side. This tab is going to go past that arm, like that, like this, and you're good to go. All right, eliminate the rest of the stuff. There you go. Wiper blades 101, Honda Civic. Should be the same as a lot of other ones, okay? Thanks for watching, people. Ciao.